This video is brought to you by AJ Productions Limited, Hamilton, New Zealand. Now, you can choose a subscription plan. For some UOVision cellular model cameras you need to select a plan. However, for cellular model cameras such as the UOVision Glory 4G LTE, no plan is required. This plan is for LinckEazi cloud storage space only. From the drop-down list, you can choose between Standard, Senior, or the Free plan option. This free plan option is only available the first time you register a new camera. If you choose one of the other options, you can no longer select the free plan option. The free plan is a good option to choose, which will give you unlimited cloud storage space for 10 days continuously ongoing for the life of the camera. After the 10-day period, you will notice the photos or video taken by the camera 10 days earlier will start to disappear off the LinckEazi portal. Please note, all photos or video will remain untouched on the memory card inside the camera, unless Overwrite has been selected to on inside the camera's menu system. If you have chosen the free plan, next click Confirm at the bottom. Before trying to connect your cellular camera to the LinckEazi system, make sure the network SIM card that is being used in the camera has data credit on it and has been activated. If the SIM card has not been activated, the camera simply will not work. SIM card activation can be done in store or by placing into a mobile phone, and then by simply sending a text message from that mobile phone will activate that SIM card. In the next video, we will look at the camera settings to get the best performance from it.